Hi, I'm Charlie Saccarelli from Chadwick Optical, and today we're going to talk about Chadwick Optical's tint selection kits. And we built these kits because traditionally tint is considered a cosmetic thing. And over the years, we found that that's not entirely true. Some tints with certain colors can help very much for low vision. Other tints with other colors can help with TBI and concussion and that sort of thing. So with that, we developed two kits, one being the low vision tint selection kit and the other being the TBI tint selection kit. Now, what this is intended to be is a guide. If you know nothing or you're just getting started, this is a really good kit to get started with. If you have your own best practices, we're happy to build you a kit that's customized for you using your favorite things. So this is the low vision kit. The TBI kit's a different set of colors, but these are all yellows and oranges and reds and ambers and colors that your low vision patients, specifically macular degeneration, often respond very positively to. In addition to the flippers for assessment, we also developed this, which is a clip-on shape guide. The reason we developed that is because you'll have a patient and they will say, wow, this color is absolutely amazing. How do I get it? And oftentimes the eyeglass process, depending on different practitioners, can be kind of tedious. Where do you get frames? Where do you get lenses? So Chadwick makes lenses, but prescription lenses, the whole process can be somewhat challenging sometimes when you have to send in an eyeglass frame or something like that. So the reason we developed the clip-on shape guide is it makes things potentially very simple. So what this is a library of 17 generic shapes. So it has aviators and round and oval and square and rectangle. And what you can do is hold your frame up to the different samples and find one that fits very closely to your frame. And then you can order that in the color that you need. So what that allows you to do is there's no back and forth, right? So the patient can keep their glasses. They don't need to part with their glasses. They don't need to get a new frame. They can just get a clip-on in the color they need that works for them. So the kit includes this clip-on shape guide. It also includes a sample of one of the clips, so you can show the patient kind of what it will look like. So this is one of the rectangular shapes, but that's just a sample, but that way they can know what the clip will look like. It is a claw clip, so it claws onto glasses at the nasal and is also flip-upable. So that is our tint selection kit. And we are super happy to talk more to you about it. So if you want to talk more about it and get one that you can call your very own, reach out to us at Chadwick Optical, and we're happy to help you with that. Thank you.